next to Troy Berner. Good afternoon, or not afternoon, good morning still. Good morning.
Good morning, Chairman Adam. Good morning to everyone else. My name is Troy Berner. I'm a president of the DC Reentry Action Network intern, as well as a mentor and peer navigator for change perceptions. I'm honored to be before you, Mr. Chairman, and the committee of hopes of urging you to pass the Second Chance Amendment Act and the Criminal Record Expungement Act, both of 2021. In November 2018, I was released from the custody of BOP after serving almost 25 years of incarceration. I immediately found that though I was released, ultimately, my liberties were still being restricted. Whether it's housing or employment, staying of incarceration will serve as an impediment to moving forward. That is, on top of already being behind and entering a playing field that is uneven. Incarceration itself is a payment of debt to society, yet upon returning to society, that stain remains. That stain isn't conducive to progress for the individual, the community, or reducing recidivism. Even more, that stain serves as a direct contrast to what our esteemed mayor declares are our DC core values. It is our mission to be accessible, diverse, equitable, livable, opportunistic, prosperous, resilient, and a safe city. Those are DC's 8 stated values. Though we have 8 stated values, livability, safety, and equity are touted as DC's top three values. I submit to you that livability, safety, and equity creates inclusivity. With ever-increasing number of releases because of the Incarceration Reduction Amendment Act of 2016, we are serving as an example of the positive impact that can be had on the community and that has truth, even living with a record. As a DC Rand intern, and as well as a mentor and a peer navigator for change of perceptions, I'm like the direct line of defense of trying to assist people in reintegration in society. And, from my own personal experiences, I found that, a lot of, whether it's organizations or places, of employment and things of that nature, everybody is treating us as if, we should just be lucky that we had this opportunity, at a second chance or, to live another life, and they act as if, these are things that, we have to be beholden to the things of our past. Personally, I just talked to a guy yesterday that actually heard, employer tell him, say to somebody else in his presence, see, this is why I don't hire these people. So a lot of times there's an already implicit bias upon them knowing that an individual has at some point been incarcerated. So there's many things to consider, but at present, I stand before you, an exonerated man who still, feels the effect, and the stain of a record. I implore you, Mr. Chairman, and the committee to seal and expunge by passing the Second Chance Amendment Act of 2021 and the Criminal Record Expungement Act of 2021. Thank you for the opportunity to speak on and share with you a little of the effect of living with a record.